When it comes to increasing the value of your property in Mesa, Arizona, many homeowners tend to focus on major renovations or remodeling projects. However, one of the most cost-effective and impactful upgrades you can make to your home is window replacement. New windows not only improve the aesthetic appeal of your property but also offer several other benefits that can lead to a significant increase in its overall market value. Boost curb appeal and aesthetics. First impressions matter, especially in real estate. When potential buyers or guests arrive at your home, the exterior appearance plays a critical role in shaping their perceptions. Old, worn-out windows can make a home look outdated, detracting from its overall appeal. By replacing your windows with modern, stylish options, you instantly upgrade the look of your property, making it more attractive to buyers. Whether you opt for sleek, contemporary designs or more traditional styles, new windows can enhance the character and charm of your home, increasing its curb appeal. Energy efficiency and savings. In Mesa, where the desert heat can drive utility bills through the roof, energy efficiency is a key selling point for any home. Replacing old windows with energy-efficient models can dramatically reduce your heating and cooling costs. Modern windows are designed with advanced insulation features, such as double or triple glazing, low-E coatings, and gas fills between panes, which help to keep the temperature inside your home stable. These features reduce the workload of your HVAC system, saving you money on energy bills while also making your home more comfortable year-round. Energy-efficient windows are also an attractive selling point for prospective buyers. With rising energy costs, buyers are increasingly looking for homes that offer long-term savings on utilities. By investing in window replacement, you make your home more marketable to energy-conscious buyers, adding to its overall value. Increased natural light and better views. The natural light and views from your windows can significantly impact the ambiance of your home. Replacing old, inefficient windows with larger or better positioned windows can flood your living spaces with more light, making them feel brighter and more welcoming. Additionally, new windows can provide better views of your outdoor surroundings, which is particularly appealing in Mesa, where many homes are surrounded by desert landscapes and scenic vistas. A home with ample natural light tends to feel more spacious and open, which can increase its desirability. Potential buyers will appreciate the improved atmosphere, making your property stand out from others on the market. Improved home security. Home security is a growing concern for many homeowners and prospective buyers. Older windows may not have the security features that are common in newer, more modern windows. Today's windows come equipped with stronger frames, multi-point locking systems, and impact-resistant glass, offering better protection against break-ins. By replacing your windows with these more secure models, you not only enhance your peace of mind but also make your home more attractive to buyers looking for properties with higher security. Security features can be a deciding factor for potential buyers, especially in neighborhoods where safety is a priority. Homes with upgraded, secure windows may command a higher price in the market. Noise reduction. Living in a bustling area or near major roads can often lead to noise disruptions that can detract from the comfort of your home. Noise pollution can be a significant factor in a homebuyer's decision-making process. Modern windows, especially those with double or triple glazing, offer better sound insulation, reducing the noise from outside. This is particularly beneficial for homes located near busy streets, schools, or other noisy environments. Replacing your old windows with noise-reducing models can create a more serene and peaceful living environment. Buyers who value peace and quiet will see this as an attractive feature, thus increasing your property's value. Return on investment, ROI. When considering any home improvement, it's essential to evaluate the potential return on investment. Window replacement offers one of the highest ROIs among home renovation projects. According to industry experts, homeowners can expect to recoup a significant portion of the costs when they sell their property. In Mesa's competitive real estate market, where energy efficiency and curb appeal are key factors, new windows can make a notable difference in the selling price of your home. Conclusion: incorporating window replacement into your home improvement plans in Mesa is a smart investment. Not only does it enhance the aesthetic appeal and security of your property, but it also provides energy efficiency, better noise control, and an overall improvement in living comfort. With the potential to increase your home's value and make it more attractive to buyers, window replacement is one of the most cost-effective ways to elevate your property. Whether you're looking to sell or simply enjoy a more comfortable and efficient living space, new windows are a wise choice.